I know you want your cakes, but I'm left here. Welcome.
Hello, just hold on a minute, sir. It's Will Smith from Stray FM Home Time. Cakes and bakes are sunning themselves in Cyprus. They're on the beach, they've gone on holiday, and they've left me to run the shop.
You've got 5 minutes.
What is it what you want? Just hold your horses, please. Right, do you want a sausage roll?
I'd love one, thank you.
I've lost my bags there. Here, have a sausage roll.
That's not a sausage roll. That is not.
What do you mean?
Look, here,
But that's...
forget it.
What do you want?
Strawberry tart.
A strawberry tart. Which one's the strawberry tart? Which one's the strawberry tart?
Well, I call them strawberry tart.
Oh, I wish cakes and bakes had a real back off holiday. Ah, there you are. Oh, cakes and bakes back from their holiday, thank goodness. And I've got my cakes, and we're going to surprise our final mum. And today it's in Bilton. Let's have a cheer, everybody, in Bilton. Yay! Morning, everyone. Morning. So the mum that we're going to surprise is a very, very special lady. She's called Joanna Welch, and she's battled cancer and she's won. Rebecca has nominated Joanna because she's been through a lot over the years. She's come through cancer, which is absolutely amazing, and she's working in, would you believe it, another bakery. So we're going to pop into that bakery and we're going to find Joanna now. Come on. Joanna's inside now. Let's go surprise her. Good morning, I'm looking for Joanna Welch.
Yeah.
Is that you? Hello, Joanna Welch. My name is Will Smith from Stray FM, the radio station. Your daughter, Rebecca, has nominated you to receive some cakes for Mother's Day. You've been through so much over the years battling cancer. She's so proud of you. She thinks you're the best mum ever. And these cakes are from your daughter, Rebecca, to say Happy Mother's Day for Sunday. She loves you so much and she's so proud to call you her mother. Can we all have a round of applause, please? Happy Mother's Day for Sunday.